Nigerian Genius.
I'm by name Tawido Iwo, a Part 5 student of LAUTECH studying mechanical engineering.
Hi, good evening. My name is Abisoye Samson, a 500 level mechanical engineering student of Ladoke Akintola, University of Technology, Ogbomoso State.
Hello viewers, my name is Anyewole Ijaniloluwa Moses, 500 level student from Ladoke Akintola, University of Technology.
Our day started with the usual challenge, and whereby we were maxed up and we were told to draw a caliper showing the 4 features of caliper, which are the upper jaw, lower jaw, the depth and the other parts too. So we were maxed up, we blindfolded our eyes and we were to draw the caliper.
The beautiful thing is that it's a tool you use as engineers or as future engineers. I mean, you're already been trained to be that. And that's a caliper. And there'll be 4 major things that I must find, or we must find in your drawing. First one is the upper jaws, usually used for internal measurements, the lower jaws for external measurements, the depth rod, and the lock screw. 3 minutes to make that mental drawing.
Okay, what the judges and the mentor told us this morning was that apart from us coming from our different states to participate in this challenge, we should also make sure that our mental health and our health is being secured. That we are here to participate in challenge does not mean that we should stress ourselves too much. So he asked us that how many hours do we sleep? And some people said they sleep for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So he encouraged us that we should make sure and have deep sleep at times so that we can be able to think well as a genius.
We are looking forward to the innovations, inventions, products that will emerge from this challenge that each of the schools here will build. We are looking forward to great things from LAUTECH, from UNN, from Futoke, and then from Futmina. Your schools are looking forward to you. The whole country is watching you and looking forward to. I'm praying for you and hoping and praying hard that this team of geniuses in the CLINTONEL Advanced Engineering Centre, that they will succeed in solving Nigeria's toughest engineering and manufacturing challenges. Thank you and have a lovely day.
Today, what we did actually, we were given assignments a few days ago that we had to design a model, a connecting rod using Fusion 360, and every one of us, we did it, and myself with my team also, we came up with a design, a fantastic design. So we did the design, and we asked to adapt the pictures. There's something that we call adaptive, so that it will meet up to the language that the CNC machine that it understands, which we call G code and M code, which has to do with the geometric and the miscellaneous. The geometric, which has to do with the coordinates, X, Y, and Z axis, and also the miscellaneous that has to do with the speed, the feed rate, and all other things. So after doing that, so we had to move to the machine department where the machine was, where the machine is, that's CNC machine. So and we inserted the code, through the use of Flash, and but before we start the milling of that model, the first thing we did was we do what we call facing. Facing is the first remover of the parts, the top surface of our workpiece, which we call stock. So we do the facing, and after doing the facing, then we inserted the code, the G and M code into the machine, and we did a fantastic code, and it came out the way we designed it in Fusion 360. So it was actually amazing. It's amazing you seeing what you did in the software, and it came out the way it is. So it was actually good and great. So it's an experience that does worth it.
Apart from that, we also thought we were also exposed to what is called casting. So talking of casting is done in a foundry.